changer here at Healthark Insights. So this video is the preview or the summary of our latest release, the top 10 innovations in healthcare and life sciences industry. We track down all the innovations that happened during the course of 2022 and observed that a lot of first-in-class therapies were approved. A lot of innovative therapies came in the market across a variety of therapy areas. So our top 10 is based on the unmet needs that they are fulfilling in the market, that is the kind of impact that they will have in the future of healthcare industry and the ease of commercialization. So our first innovation was Exteladrin by Ferring Pharma. This is the first gene therapy which is being launched for non-muscle invasive bladder cancer, and given 75% of all bladder cancer cases are NMIBC, this is going to be a very much game changer in the bladder cancer industry. Our second innovative approval is Risledia by Regal Pharma, and it is for refractory and relapsed AML. It is acting against IDH1 mutation. It is the first non-intensive monotherapy in this AML space. Moving on to the rare disease, so a big approval came by CSL Biopharma in form of Hemgenix, which is the first gene therapy to be approved for hemophilia B. And the interesting part is it is a one-time gene therapy. It is pegged at a peak sales of around $4 billion, which it will achieve by around 2030. It is also launched with a hefty price tag, but the analysts predict that it will save billions of dollars in the healthcare ecosystem for patients suffering from hemophilia. The other rare disease approval came for Gemcozyme by Sanofi. It is approved for ASMD, a group of disorders called as Niemann-Pick disorders, and it is the first therapy in this space, and it will again be a game changer for people who are suffering from this rare disorder. A big approval in autoimmune space came in form of Satipto by BMS. It is the first once daily oral pill launched for psoriasis, plaque psoriasis, to be indicated for moderate to severe plaque psoriasis, and it is an innovation which has came in the oral treatment space in over a decade. A great launch. Analysts have again high hopes. It is also being pegged as a miracle pill, given it will have a very heavy pipeline in all the autoimmune disorders, and again pegged at a peak sales of around $5 billion by 2030. Another big approval again came from BMS in form of Simzeros. It is the first drug which is being approved for targeting the source of cardiac HCM, which is hypertrophic cardiac myopathy, and it's a cardiac myosin inhibitor, and it's a first-in-class innovation. Another big approval came from CTI Biopharma in form of Vonjo. It's the first drug ever targeted for cytopenic myelofibrosis, and it is the first treatment ever which will be helping the thrombocytopenic patients to recover their platelet count. Another approval came in the ophthalmology space, Vabysmo by Roche. It's the first ever injectable eye drug which is approved for AMD and DME, and it will also be a game changer in this space given its results. So our last drug on the list is Novartis Vijoice, which is the first drug ever to directly control the condition or the root cause which is causing PROS. So overall, 2022 witnessed a lot of innovative therapies all across therapy areas, a lot of first-in-class therapies, again heavy on oncology and orphan and even other therapy areas, a lot of first-in-class approvals, new therapies coming to space in autoimmune, a lot of gene therapies coming into space. So overall, it was an exciting year for pharma and life sciences industry. And the top 10 that we have compiled, we hope that you like reading it, you enjoy it, and stay tuned with us for the upcoming launches which we'll be covering for 2023.